Hi, and welcome. Today I'm excited because this is the second day of the month, and in the Ipsy world, this is the day to check in and see what you'll be getting in your monthly bag and box. I'm subscribed to the Ipsy $10 bag, which next month is going to be $12. But the changes for this month in the $10 bag is that we can get 5 additional add-ons in the bag. So Ipsy is a monthly subscription that you fill out a profile with your hair color, your eyes, etc., and your likes and your dislikes in the products and in the brands. They have been great for me, that the choices they choose to be in the bag, I have not needed to do any add-ons in the past. However, this month is different. The add-on feature is a great feature because on the second day of the month, Ipsy shows you what is going to be in the bag. And if you really want what they did not put in the bag, what they didn't choose for you, you can add it on for an additional charge. They give you your choices of some full-size items that are $12 and some sample size items that are $3. But with that said, sometimes in the $3 section, they have some full-size products like brushes and so on and so forth. So the added bonus to all of this is everything ships for free. The add-on items end up in your bag or in your box, whichever you've subscribed to. They come at the same time and there's no extra shipping fee. Okay, so now if you're not subscribed to my channel, I think it's a good time to do so. So please look down below in the video. Under the video, you will see a red button. It will say subscribed. Press that button. It's free. You will not receive any notifications or any emails. It just helps me get recognized on YouTube. So, however, if you want to know when I'm going to upload a video and get notified by YouTube via email, you can press that little bell that's beside the subscribe button. Also, if you love to connect through the comments, I would love that. If that's not you, just simply give me the thumbs up button so that I know that you enjoyed my content. Okay, let's get started with what is in my Ipsy bag and box for the month of September. So I get both boxes, both the bag and the box, which is the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. And I don't know if it's on the screen yet, but they already put in the little tab for the Ultimate, which is a new $50 bag that they're introducing in the month of October. But let's go through what we're getting now, because the site has been up and down all day, so it's been a little crazy. I've filmed this a few times already. Okay, so the Glam Bag is the $10 bag that's going up to $12 next month. So let's go through what we have here. So they tell you here what's going to be in your bag. So everybody's will be a little bit different based on their profile, but everybody is going to get this fantastic looking bag. The first item that they chose for me in my bag is the 111 Space Defense Bright Eye Lift. 111 Skin, for me, has been a real find. It's a little expensive, but I had the opportunity from a previous Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to try the 111 Skin. But when I found out it was $110 to repurchase that serum, I decided not to. Then I got really lucky because in my FabFitFun box, I chose to receive 5 masks by this 111 Skin line now that I got introduced to through the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Those masks had a lot of serum in them, so I was able to use the masks and then keep the serum, the remainder serum that comes extra kind of in those, those sheet masks. I was able to use that serum throughout the entire month, so it really worked out well for me. But like I said, I got introduced to 111 Skin through the Ipsy Glam Plus. The next item that's in here is, let me see if I can get it better on the screen. I'm trying this new way of doing this and we'll see if it works. Okay, is the IBY Beauty eyeshadow in Fire and Ice. I'm not that familiar with that, so I'm excited to try. The next item is what I'm really excited to share with you guys. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. I love Ofra's highlighters, but this month in particular, Ofra Cosmetics did a collaboration with another YouTuber called Madison Miller. And what's really exciting is she's somehow connected, I know, also to Ipsy, but she had a launch with them that was on September the 1st. Today is only September the 2nd. So the fact that Ipsy has these brand new products that pretty much launched yesterday in the bags and boxes is unbelievable. They also had a few in their add-ons, which is why I did add-ons this month as well. So with that said, I'm really excited that I got the Ofra Madison Sugar Cup Lip Gloss that they chose for me in my bag. The next item that is in here is from a brand that I'm not that familiar with. It's called Han Hu. It says it's a watermelon illuminator overnight serum. I've been loving this watermelon theme that's been going on. I've been enjoying everything watermelon that we've been getting, and I definitely love overnight serum, so I'm really excited to try that. And then the last item that they chose for me is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Give Me Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in the number 3, and that's always great to have. The items that I added on were these that are showing up on the screen now. The first one that I chose was Milani Cosmetics Make It Last Charcoal Setting Spray. I purchased this product this summer from ULTA, and I absolutely loved it. I just finished filming a video of all my makeup setting sprays and makeup setting primers, and hands down, Milani has been my newest one that I've tried, that I've purchased. I know we've been getting a lot of different ones in a couple of other boxes, but this, if you want to be matte, is phenomenal. And the price on this, I think in retail, runs anywhere from $10 to $15. So it is really a great find. And I feel it's as good a dupe for my Urban Decay All-Nighter, which is my be-all and end-all. So I was really excited to try it and enjoy it. So when I saw that I can get it for $3, I definitely added it to my bag. The next item is from Ofra Cosmetics. It is also from the collection from Madison and Ofra, and it's her gloss that's in her brand new daughter's name, Riley. The next two items that I added on here are from this brand called Lovecraft. It's two bronzers, separate bronzers. One I took in the contour and in a contour color, which is a lighter one, which is the one down here, and then the darker one, which you're seeing up on the right-hand side here. That one is the darker one of the two. I got introduced to Lovecraft through also Ipsy Glam Bag Plus a couple of months ago, and I got a palette of their bronzers, and I absolutely love them. So I figured for traveling, these would be perfect, and for $3 each, I thought it was a win-win for me. And then the last item that I was able to add on, because like I said, we were able to get 5 this month, is also from the Madison and Ofra collaboration, and that is her liquid lipstick. I think the color is called Rai Rai, which I think is her daughter once again, but I think this color is a fantastic neutral color. So I'm really excited to get that. So let me just see if, no, on here, they don't have it. Okay, let me go up here to the top of the screen, and I'm gonna now click on my Glam Bag Plus, and hopefully this is gonna work. Oh, I hope they're not down again. Great. Okay, so this is what's gonna be in my box. So there's the box that we're gonna get, and look at the first item that's in there. It's also from the Ofra Madison Miller Squad palette. That's from the collaboration. That's her blush and 2 highlighters. I am so excited to get this. The next item is a lipstick in the color Cosmic. It's from a brand that I'm not familiar with, but the color looks phenomenal. The next item down here, which is the Sept London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Wow. This is a powder that I got introduced to, I think, from FabFitFun. I fell in love with it. It got to a point where I was getting to the bitter end of it, and I kind of didn't want to use it because it was so great. And then I had an opportunity with the Ipsy Summer Haul that I have the video up. It's fantastic. You guys should watch it. It's still available actually on Ipsy Shopper. It's 59 products for it's $59 for 14 products, and I was able to get this is one of the 14. So there's really high-end products that are in there, and they're absolutely fantastic. You should definitely check out that video, and if you like it, you can still buy it, and I love that that's still available. So I was happy to see that this was in the box as well. The next item is from Wonder Beauty. This is a brand that I got introduced to. Also, I think it was either BoxyCharm or Ipsy Glam Plus. I fell in love with their mascaras that we got. I also just purchased from FabFitFun. It was one of the items that I chose to be in my fall box, are the under eye masks that are in gold from Wonder Beauty. They are fantastic and I'm loving them. And now this is a new product from them that I haven't tried yet. But the fact that it's from Wonder Beauty, my hopes are very high. It says it's a micro brow pencil in the color taupe. Now on the right hand side here was the one I was also really excited to get. I saw some sneak peeks and I kept my fingers crossed that I would get it in my box, and I did. It's from Glam Glow. It's their Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. In a previous box, I received from Glam Glow their daily cleanser, and I used it for about 6 weeks. I loved it. It was one of my favorite products. It was fantastic on the skin. It caused no sensitivity. I was really impressed. So the fact that they're starting to get into these type of products, I was really excited that I'm going to be able to try a product that really hasn't been on the market yet. And then I went to my add-ons. So here we go. I was able to add 5 more products because I have another box. So it's phenomenal. So I chose a bunch of the $3 products. The first one being the Glow Recipe in the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I wanted to get the fuller size of this last month, but the add-on sold out before I had a chance to add it. So I was happy that it's available in the sample size so I could at least get to try it. And that's, like I said, everything that I chose is $3. The next item is from Too Faced Damn Girl. It's their brand new mascara that they introduced, and I love trying mascaras in the mini version. I just finished filming my stash of mascaras. I have so many of them, and I used to buy a lot through Sephora when they had those boxes that you were able to try a lot of different mascaras, and that's the way I like to do it. I have a lot of full size too, but I love trying new ones in the sample size. The reason being that the brush in the sample size or the deluxe size is usually the same size brush that's in the regular. So you're really able to test out the brush and the formula. And for $3, you really can't go wrong. The next item here I got from Smashbox is their Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydrating Formula. I got it in the shade medium. They say the undertone on this one is golden. I usually go more neutral, but the only other choice that was on my list was a light in neutral, and it kind of looked too light for me. So for $3, I figure I'll try it in the golden. And then, once again, there were some Ofra Cosmetic Madison collaborations, so I decided for $3 each, I would grab those two as well. So I ended up spending an extra $15 on the Glam bag and an extra $15 on this one based on the options that I had. And then after I checked out, I got the confirmations of the emails, and then I wanted to tape all this for you guys, and the site went down, and it's been down a large part of the day. So I'm not able to show you all the choices that were there before, because once you check out, everything fades to gray, and then they send you this when you go on to Ipsy under your own account. What ends up happening is they're just telling you this is what you chose. So once you choose all 5 and you check out, you can't go back or change your mind or anything. It's a done deal. So I'm just happy that I was able to get it. And you know, to me, the other bonus is they do not charge freight on this. It comes in the same package, so you're not waiting for a second package. So I'm really excited that the add-ons and everything are $3, including the freight. So that's all the information that I have for you today, and I'm really excited as this is the first start to a new month of all the subscription boxes. September is here. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Once again, it's the red button under the video. Remember, it's free, and only press the bell if you want YouTube to send you an email that I have a new video. I'd love you to thumb up the video if you enjoyed my content. I also would love you to leave a comment down below if you know what you're getting in your box and if you decided to choose any add-ons. So that's it for now. Thanks again for checking in, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.